Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. But anyways, I do think this is the end of a wave 3 on the monthly. I think we are currently in an ABC, which I think is an ABC of 4, probably going down to about the 50% before it makes another attempt up for that wave 5. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do think this first push down ending right here is an A. I think this is an A, B, C of wave B that we're in right now. Until we know that the wave B is over, we should primarily be looking for logs on sort of time frames. Eventually, it is going to make another big move to the downside for a wave C, most likely an ABC of 4. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is very clearly the bottom of a wave A. I think this is an A, B, C of wave B. I don't really think the wave B is over. I think it's more likely to go into one of these higher Fibonacci extension of wave A levels before it actually does end the wave C of wave B. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the trend is definitely up. My last structure level is right here. So as long as price does not go down and break that structure, I'm definitely still only looking for longs in an uptrend. So I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive up. I'm looking at every move I see to the downside as nothing more than a possible correction to the last wave up. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move up, which is very, very clearly 5 waves up. I believe that we are very likely now in a correction to that 5 waves. Just like this right here was an ABC correction to this 5 waves up. So I'm watching my Fibonacci retracement levels very closely. If we get a nice Fibonacci bounce, especially if it's 3 waves down, at a Fibonacci level, engulfing move to the upside, then I definitely will take that as a long, potentially for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.